Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to save a web page as a PDF using Google Chrome. This is a handy feature that allows you to keep a digital copy of any web page for offline access or sharing. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have it open yet, double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it in your Applications folder. Once it's up and running, navigate to the page you want to save. This could be an article, a recipe, or any content you want to keep for future reference. Now that you have the desired page open, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the Chrome menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and click on Share. This option may not be immediately visible depending on your version of Chrome, but it should be there. Once you click Share, a new set of options will appear. Next, choose Print from these options. This action will open a print preview dialog box. Here, you will see various printing options. In the print dialog box, look for the section labeled Destination. By default, it might show your connected printer. Click on this section to reveal a drop-down menu where you can change the destination. From this drop-down menu, select Save as PDF. You'll notice that the preview on the left side of the dialog will update to show how your PDF will look. Once you've selected Save as PDF, move down to the bottom right corner of the dialog box and click on Save. A new window will pop up asking where you want to save your PDF file. Choose your preferred location on your computer. This could be your desktop or any specific folder where you keep important documents. You can also rename the file if you'd like to give it a more descriptive name. After selecting the location and naming your file, click on Save once more. And there you have it. You've successfully saved a web page as a PDF using Google Chrome. Now you can easily access this document anytime without needing an internet connection. Thanks for following along.